They fly.
Huh?
Every time they go fly.
No, they have a timer themselves too, you know.
Yeah.
They're happy now. You're gonna see more of them lighting on the wires now. You see how much
Yeah.
of them on the wires?
They're coming down, yeah.
Yeah. But some of them very glutton too, you know. Sorry, I have to go now, you know. Nice to see you guys back. Maybe fuck you, man. What's that horn? He's just driving in a motor car, feels very
I know.
without these fucking bars, there is no heat. You don't understand, you know? You see how broke up that one is?
I know.
Sitting here? Because she's pregnant, you know?
They're gonna give birth their egg, yeah.
The daddy one gonna bring the food, right?
Yeah,
He eat so much, and then he go,
yeah. They feed the baby, yeah.
yeah. It looks nice, yeah? Yeah. I finish off 4 of these. Give them. Let them be happy. So the world can be happy. You know, I should tell you something about those vultures. You know something called vultures?
Yeah, the bird, the big bird.
Yeah, they kill so many of them. That's why the world, they have the guys is scavenger, right?
Yeah.
They pick up all these shit, like
Look, they're following the guy there, oh.
yeah. So another guy,
Yeah.
yeah. He's gonna love. I don't mind. I got 2 friends.
Let's go. Okay, we're going home. Okay, thank you, my friend. I'm going home, eh? Nice meeting you.
I eat the last piece.
Yeah.
Hey, come back. You like me?